Okay, so today I'm going to be changing the motor oil on the Coleman 5-horse outboard motor. Things you're going to need really quickly are a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension for the ratchet and socket. I've already gone ahead and broken loose the bolt for the drainage of the motor oil. You can find the bolt for the drain on the oil pan, or the bottom of the motor for the oil is right beside the gear shift. Right underneath there's a cutout in the casing. You can see it just sitting there. I've already loosened it up a bit. Now I suggest you have a bunch of rags, maybe even a funnel to catch the drainage from this. It is going to make a mess. It's pretty tight up there. It's pretty close to the leg, so it's going to want to come out and just run all the way down this leg. I'm going to attempt to catch most of it with a funnel, but I don't think it's going to work out very well. Just try and have my funnel as close as possible here. Hang it there. Okay. So, like I said, I already had this loosened up. And out comes the oil. Oh, there it goes. Hey, look at that. It's actually kind of missing the entire leg, but not for long. Get up underneath of it with the funnel. Now, on this oil that I'm draining, I only had maybe 30 hours of runtime on it. It doesn't look too bad at all, and it sat all winter. So, like, I live up in Canada, in Alberta. I think winter this year lasted 5.5 months.